That's too. All right. Yes, we got that seasoning.
I'm fire. You want that Dr. Pepper?
Hello, mama.
Yes, you guys. So that's what we eating. Boom, boom, boom. More eating. Grab your drinks and your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to Mukbang Madness. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl More Eats and your girl Agnes. Welcome back, y'all. How is everybody doing today? If you are new here, please like, subscribe, share me out, hit the bell, all that fabulous stuff, you guys. Today we are having some tacos, okay? We are having some tacos over here. I decided, let me go ahead and throw some tacos together, you guys. I have ground beef, green leaf lettuce. I have some queso, some salsa, sour cream, black olives, and 2 types of cheese, the Tillamook, medium cheddar, and Mexican 4 cheese. I heard Steph and Tasha over there talking about how they love that cheese and it's the best cheese. So I said I'm gonna get some. I got some blueberry simply. Yes, have some Simply lemonade with me, y'all. How's everybody today? All right, let me start putting some of these tacos together. I got my Cham sauce here, you guys. Y'all know the deal with the Cham. So amazing. Link below. More Eats at checkout to get your discount. Also, you guys, I have also affiliated with my girl NENE Eats Life. And I want you guys to go right now, just check out her little clip real quick. Check out the clip. Be right back. Okay, y'all back. Okay, I was started assembling my tacos while y'all was over there watching NENE. You see my sis got a bomb sauce, y'all, and I'm affiliated with her. More Eats 15 at checkout to get your discount at NENE Eats Life. Her amazing sauce, y'all. She now has a cilantro lime sauce, okay? A cilantro lime sauce. And she has her original Cajun butter sauce. And it is amazing, y'all. I'm telling you, both sauces, if you haven't seen my reviews on those, check them out. Both are amazing. Y'all, I'm a cheese person. I put cheese at the bottom. I put cheese at the top. I don't know, I'm just a cheese person. So I'm trying both of the cheeses or whatever. These two. So we got our meat on there. Let me sprinkle a little meat on the top of the thing to make that cheese melt. You know how that is. And I'm thinking about putting some queso on them things instead of using it for them scoops, because I'm hungry today, y'all. What y'all eat? What y'all eat today? Oh, now you're supposed to stand up now. Y'all, I've been, I signed up for Ancestry.com, and I have been researching my family tree, y'all, and it is so interesting. I had got a deal where you can do it for so much of amount for so many months, and then they start charging you. The sad thing is I see that charge that they want to start charging me, and I'm like, man, I ain't gonna be able to pay for that. But it's so much fun doing your family tree. This thing brand new. Do y'all like the Pika Pika? We used to get that little packet in junior high and high school for your tacos. I used to love that sauce. I don't know why, but I did. It was good. It was good. And I got the La Victoria sauce, just a red sauce. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat 4 tacos, but we finna see, baby. I'm hungry. Let's get some of this stuff out the way. Okay, let's do a thumbnail. Let me get my hair. Let's see. That might be the thumbnail, y'all. We'll see, we'll see. Let's crunch into one of these bad babies. Y'all want to bite? I want to bite. Here. I'm trying to. I'm hungry today, y'all. Let's put some queso on that thing. Also, in this video is a contest, y'all. All right. I'm gonna be talking about it throughout this. Shout out to my sis Ray Love. I want $50 over there on her channel. Y'all, I appreciate you, sis. Yeah, I don't be hardly winning nothing. I don't be hardly winning nothing. So I'm glad I did. Thanks, sis. And guess what? I'm about to keep the party going. Put a little bit of that meat on that scoop. Ah, give me that. Eat that. Food. Yes, so something to keep the party going. So my sis Ray Love blessed me with $50 for winning the contest over at her channel. And I really and truly appreciate that. Because it's paying for my next mukbang that's coming up. My next seafood boil mukbang, should I say. So her contribution is paying for mine. My next seafood boil. And I decided to do a seafood boil with it because I love seafood. And I'm shouting out my sis. And I'm saying it's sponsored by her. You know what I'm saying? Cheese, please. Yes. That's good. Sorry, y'all. That taco's so good, it took me all out. My thought was gone. It just took me away. Good. But yeah. Sis blessed me, so I want to bless somebody too. Cause it's all about that love, spreading that good energy, you know? And just always trying to have fun with it, you know what I'm saying? And just trying to just be good people having good fun. You feel me? So yeah, I want to do the same thing. So in this video, I'm gonna try to comment below after the video and just tell me what you would mukbang with. $50 is the cash prize. Is the prize. $50. $50 is the prize. So, comment below. Tell me what you would mukbang with $50. No, it don't have to be seafood boil mukbang because that's what I like. What you like? So, this is me just spreading on what Ray Love had did just by donating me $50. We're gonna turn it into a give back type situation. So comment below what you would mukbang if you won the $50. And what's today? I go on vacation in a few weeks. Today is I don't know what today is. Hold on, let me see if I can see on my TV.
Chef.
Ooh. Info. Telling me the date. I can't even think of what day it is today, y'all. Anywho, 2 weeks from today. Matter of fact, no. I'm just gonna say a date. Comment by August the 14th. August the 15th, I will pick the winner. On August the 15th, I'll pick the winner. So after this video, you just comment below. You tell me what you would do if you won $50. What you would mukbang. What would your mukbang be? So we can just keep them, spread the joy, spread the love, you know? And once again, Ray Love, I appreciate you, sis, for doing that. Because we didn't even have to make up that challenge or, not challenge, it was a contest. It was a questionnaire contest. I'll put her link below as well, so you can check out her channel. Tell her more eat sent ya. And Agnes, here, I hear you, girl. She said she hungry today. Normally she can't wait. You good? All right. Just take a little bit. Just take a little bit. She be good. She be good. Yeah, y'all. And maybe, who knows? Whoever win my contest, maybe they'll keep the party going. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it going. Maybe it'll be a whole little train. Who knows? But yes, just period point blank, I want to sponsor your next mukbang. $50 for your mukbang. Whatever you want to mukbang. And it's going to be sponsored by More Eats. That's it, y'all. Comment below. Just tell me what you want to mukbang. And what I'm going to do, August the 15th, during the live, I'm going to do a random draw. I'm going to do a random draw of somebody's comment. You can only enter once. You can only enter one time. And just let me know what you would mukbang. And then sit back, relax, wait for the money to come in, and get your food. And get your food, you know? You know? About to buy a lot of time. I told y'all we gonna be doing this thing for 15 minutes. Who wants the last taco? Here, here, here. It's all right. I'll give it to my son. Y'all didn't want it. Trying to share with y'all since y'all right here. All right, y'all. We about to be out this piece. Boom, boom, boom. Say bye to Agnes. Thanks for coming to my mukbang madness. Don't forget, comment below. What would you mukbang with $50? Tell me and Agnes. Let us know. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Peace. Bye.